Hello guys, welcome back. In the earlier lectures, we talked about identifiers and the rules we must follow. If we acted against those rules, we'll be greeted with a couple of errors. Now, in this lecture, we're gonna focus on naming conventions. These naming conventions are an important part of coding standards, and unlike identifiers rules, they are not mandatory. But using them for developing an application is best practice and make our codes more readable, understandable, and maintainable. Like other programming languages, there are certain naming conventions in C#. Camel case, Pascal case, and snake case. Okay, let's talk about them one by one. In camel case, the first letter of the first word is lowercase, and then the first letter of each word that follows is uppercase. For example, these three words based on camel case should be like this. As you can see, a student word starts with lowercase letter. Full and name words start with uppercase letter. Pascal case is similar to camel case, except that the first letter of the first word is the uppercase too, as you can see here. The last one is snake case. This one separates each word with an underscore character, and all letters of all words should be lowercase, like this example. Also, there is another version of the snake case. In this version, all letters of all words should be uppercase. This version is also known as a screaming snake case. Now, let's jump into VS Code and show you these naming conventions in the C# application. In C#, we're using these naming conventions for naming our variables, methods, classes, and etc. Okay, we always use camel case for declaring variables. For example, let's declare a variable for a person's name. So, we go for a string, lowercase p, and then in the second word, uppercase N. As you can see, we declared a variable based on camel case. Now, let's declare a variable without any naming conventions. As you can see, we don't get any errors, but the names of these variables don't follow the same naming conventions. Now, imagine several programmers working on the same application, and each of them follows their own naming conventions to declare a variable. In this situation, our codes become unreadable and not easy to understand. So, this is best practice to use camel case for variable names to make our codes readable and understandable. Okay, for declaring a class, method, and namespace in C#, we always use Pascal case. Now, let's declare a class for Uber based on Pascal case. So, in this line, we go for public class uppercase U. Now, let's declare a register driver method based on Pascal case 2. So, we go for public static void uppercase R and uppercase T. As you can see, we have a class and method based on Pascal case. Okay, done. In the following lectures, whenever needed, we'll explain other naming conventions in C#. Alright, in the next lecture, we'll talk about data type. See you there.